New at 4, we are staying on top of an issue that still has so many of you talking about the impact on our community: food delivery drivers on mopeds. Well, last week, a D.C. official said police were going to do another crackdown on illegal mopeds this week as part of Operation Ride Right. Rafael Sanchez Cruz was at the hearing when this was all announced. And Rafa, bring us up to speed here. What have you learned about this operation?
D.C. police tells us this is an ongoing effort. They didn't tell us when they'll be conducting the special enforcement, but they usually don't disclose these kinds of details. Today, I went out to speak to food delivery drivers who say they've learned their lesson since Operation Ride Right started last month. D.C. police's crackdown on illegal mopeds has resulted in at least 273 scooters being impounded and 161 infractions. Food delivery driver Pedro Herrera says he thinks the enforcement and outreach from police has made a difference. We weren't doing things the right way because we didn't know the laws, you understand? But thanks to the enforcement, we're on top of it. We have the proper documents that we need to keep working the right way. At least 81 moped drivers have been arrested as part of DC's police enforcement. The majority of cases are for driving without a permit, which under DC code is a misdemeanor traffic offense.
Yes, it is a criminal offense. And yes, it does affect somebody's immigration status.
With many of the food delivery drivers being recently arrived asylum seekers, immigration lawyer Jose Campos says the consequences for this offense have a greater impact.
However, what is the likelihood that somebody is going to be deported or somebody is going to be denied an application because of this? It's small. Yes, an accumulation of various misdemeanors could be very bad for them.
Immigration experts say that because D.C., Maryland, and Virginia offer driver's licenses for undocumented immigrants, having these types of charges on your record can appear as a disregard of the law in front of an immigration judge. I asked Herrera if he thought the punishment fit the crime, and he said, "You learn from your mistakes." The food delivery drivers who I spoke to today say they expect to see less infractions, arrests, and less mopeds being impounded this month compared to last. In Northwest DC, Rafael Sanchez Cruz, WUSA 9.